Today we'll be discussing building a Get Home bag with the Riftcore. Hello everyone and welcome to this episode of Maxpedition Survival Tips. So here we have a vehicle Get Home bag, something we can carry in our trunk or back seat to get us from point A, wherever we got stuck, back to our family and loved ones. Now we never know when or where an emergency could strike. An earthquake, a civil disturbance, things like this can happen at any time without warning. Now, should you have to abandon your vehicle, if for any reason that people will be in your way that you think you may need to get through hostile individuals, here on my side pouch here, I have what I call a crowd dispersal pouch if I need to get past angry people. I have things like a simulator flashbang grenade. Now this looks and sounds like the real thing, however, it's just air. It makes a real loud noise, it freaks everybody out, and it scatters them without injuring anyone. Of course, I have my chemical dispersant here. This will shoot a very strong mace over 30 feet in a fog pattern, so it doesn't just burn their skin or eyes, but they breathe it in, incapacitating anyone trying to chase you. Now this pouch can hold even more than that. I have my Swiss Army knife, which has a myriad of tools for just about whatever I need, and a chem stick for low light. In my top pouch here, I have everything I need for emergency navigation and signaling. So I may not be able to use my cell phone for navigation. Towers could be down or they could be overloaded, which is why I have a high quality GPS device to give me alternative routes to where I need to go. I have an emergency GPS personal locator beacon. The situation is resolving and authorities can help me. This is a great way to let them know where I'm at. Here I have a pen flare. This attaches and sets up really easily, really quickly. It could be used for signaling as well as self-defense to keep people at bay. Water flowing through a stream or in a puddle or down a gutter in an urban area is never good to drink unless you have a high quality, sophisticated filter designed for urban areas. Now when we're talking about a vehicle bag, we need a high quality med kit for a full range of injuries. If we have to abandon our vehicle, possibly because of accidents, there could be wounded that need to be treated. That's why we have a full multi-person trauma kit that can handle just about anything. Now everything you see here, tourniquets, SAM splints, emergency blankets, bandages, all fits in this lightweight toiletry kit from Maxpedition. It deploys quickly and easily, it divvies up well, it's highly modular. Of course, we always need work gloves. If you have to extricate yourself from a damaged vehicle, sharp edges of metal and glass can easily cut and hurt your hands. Now, in a real emergency, you may not be able to get a hold of your loved ones on a cell phone. That's why it's important for you all to carry a high quality walkie-talkie that can go for several miles in an urban area. So if cell towers are down or overloaded, I can use my pre-programmed emergency channels to communicate with my loved ones. Should I need to set up shelter, I have a tarp-style emergency blanket like this. This reflects not only your body heat, but the sunlight as well. Of course, we always need a good cordage, something to tie with or lash with. And that's why I always carry 1,000-pound test Kevlar string. Here we have everything from a compass, should my GPS fail, and of course, a headlamp. It's always good to be able to work hands-free with your light. With a headlamp, it's shining everywhere you're looking, everywhere you need to see. Now, we never know how charged our cell phone is going to be when disaster strikes, so it's great to have a portable charging bank like this one that's not only water resistant, but impact resistant as well. Now, as far as food goes, we only need enough for the day or the evening, just enough to get home. We don't want to have to prepare anything, cook anything, add water, anything like that. That's why I always love the main course from an MRE or soldier's meal ready to eat that comes in a pouch like this. Here we have chicken pesto, so I have protein, carbohydrates, everything I need to get by. All I do is open it, pour it down my gullet, and I'm ready to go. And who doesn't love a trusty axe? With a compartment like this, you could put just about anything in here. This will be great for not only self-defense, but for cutting someone out of a damaged vehicle, prying things, getting rid of the metal, the glass, all of that. Of course, if you only have one light, you have none, which is why my second light is always a high quality tactical light like this one. The 1000 lumen beam on this is great for searching for lost or injured people. It's also great for self-defense. So as you can see, a pack like the Riftcore with its many pockets and modular series is great for something like a get home bag. If I need to get home from anywhere, I can do it with what I have here. So this has been another installment of the Maxpedition Survival Tips series. For more survival tips, you can visit CA Survival Training. That's Charlie Alpha survivaltraining.com. And for the best backpacks and pouches on the market, you can visit maxpedition.com. I'm Thomas Coyne, and thank you for watching.